Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be teaching you how to bake this super fluffy vanilla cake. And funny enough, I didn't use mixer for this cake batter. I used my blender. So sit back, relax, make sure you watch this video to the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So these are my ingredients. Here I have 1.5 cups of flour already sieved, 1 cup of white granulated sugar, 2 eggs, half cup of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and lastly 1 cup of milk. So it's time for me to mix my cake batter. Here I used my blender, so you can as well use your mixer if you don't have a blender or you don't want to use your blender. So in my blender cup I added the eggs, then I'm adding the flavor, the vanilla flavor, now the oil. After adding the oil, I now added my sugar. Then after adding the sugar, it's time for me to add the milk, but here I had to divide the milk into 2 parts. First of all, you add the first part, then the last part will come in later. So now it's time for me to mix the ingredients. So this is what we have here. At this stage, it's time for me to add the whole flour. Pour in the whole flour into the mixture, the wet mixture, and add the baking powder. Then lastly, add the remaining part, that's the last part of the milk. Then mix all together for 2 minutes. Now put off the blender. As you can see, my cake batter is ready. It's so creamy, so smooth. In this video, I used those foil plates to bake my cakes. I had to grease them with my cooking spray. If you don't have cooking spray, you can as well use your vegetable oil. Just put little inside, then use your brush to make it go round. Make sure the oil touches all the parts of the foil plates. The reason why I'm greasing this foil plates is so that after baking the cakes they can come out easily. So for increased batter, all you need to do is just to multiply this recipe. It's now time for me to distribute the cake batter. So I'm pouring in the cake batter into the foil plates. So these foil plates are representing my baking tins, so I'll be using them to bake this special creamy vanilla cake. You can also use your cake pans to bake this cake. You can also bake it in a cupcake form, so it's up to you. It's time for me to bake. Now my super fluffy vanilla cakes are out of the oven. They are fully baked and they are so neat. I so much love this cake color, so creamy. Wow. So this is what we have here. I know that after watching this video you can also bake yours and yours will turn out this way. I hope you like this. So now it's time for us to see what we really baked, what it looks like.